Welcome guys, this is Liz Magic, and today I'm gonna be sharing with you how I make sorrel drink. This delicious drink is easy to make and you'll love every sip of it. I'm using dried sorrel, not the fresh sorrel. You can get your dry sorrel from most grocery stores in packages like these. They come in packages like this. There. And I have it in the strainer here because I'm gonna wash it in cold water. Please don't wash your sorrel with warm water. Wash it in cold water, because if you do use warm water, you'll see all that juice be running off the sorrel, the redness. So rinse it in cold water. Ginger. Ginger is a must use, and now my ginger cut up. I'm gonna blend my ginger. It's all using to make the drink. I will be using some white sugar and dark sugar to sweeten my sorrel. I'll be using some cloves, bay leaves, and cinnamon stick. Just a little of these. You don't want them to overpower your sorrel drink. So here we go, the next step. Water is boiling on the stove. This is where I'm gonna add the blended ginger to the water, and I'm gonna let it boil for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes of letting the ginger boil, I'm gonna add my sorrel to it. My cinnamon stick, bay leaf, and cloves. Everything is in the pot right now. Ginger, my sorrel, cinnamon stick, cloves, bay leaf. This is where you turn your stove off, and you're gonna cover it up. I'll leave it for a few hours, preferably a day. And after, the next step is strain and sweeten, and I'll show you. The sorrel has been sitting overnight. Here it is. I had taken it from the pot and put it in this plastic container. Here's the lid, and I leave the lid on top of it. That's what I did overnight. And you can still see right in there the sorrel. I have not strained it yet. So all that's been sitting in there, the sorrel, the ginger, the cloves, and the cinnamon stick. I'm gonna strain it, sweeten it. Welcome for all the new people to my channel. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to press the subscribe button and the like button, also the notification bell. And for all my faithful and usual people, thank you for always being there, supporting Liz Magic. I do appreciate you guys. Please don't forget to press the like button and the notification button, so whenever I upload a new video, you guys can see it. Strain it and sweeten the sorrel with brown sugar, granulated sugar. The sorrel has been strained, and this is what left over from straining my sorrel. This is it. You just dump this. Here is sorrel. Look at it, guys, how red it is. It's a dark red color, and it's sweetened with sugar. You can put some alcohol of your choice into it. It's all up to you. Here's a glass of the sorrel I just made. I'm gonna enjoy this. This is Liz Magic, sharing with you how to make sorrel. Bing, just like magic.